Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we'll take a guided tour of Cursor. Cursor, a powerful tool that calls itself the AI code builder. Cursor is designed to make developers more productive by integrating artificial intelligence directly into their coding workflow. Let's explore its features, interface, and capabilities one step at a time. Exploring the Cursor homepage. We begin on the Cursor homepage. Front and center is the tagline, built to make you extraordinarily productive. Let's find out how Cursor achieves that. At the top navigation bar, you will notice several options. The features page opens with the promise to build software faster. As we scroll down, Cursor highlights its first major capability called Tab. This feature uses proprietary models to predict your next edit, letting you accept suggestions instantly and code much faster. Scrolling further, we see a set of powerful tools presented side by side. Multi-line edits. It suggests changes across multiple lines at once. Smart rewrites. This will automatically fix minor typing mistakes. Tab lets you jump through edits seamlessly across files. Next, we reach one of the Cursor's most impressive features, the agent. The agent is designed for handling complex multi-step coding tasks. You can give it a natural language prompt and it will create a step-by-step plan, updating you at each stage for approval. This makes it perfect for large refactors, exploring new parts of your code base or automating repetitive workflows. How the agent works. Scrolling down, we see how the agent operates behind the scenes in three ways. Number 1. Finds context. Cursor uses custom retrieval models to understand your existing code base without requiring you to manually explain context. Number 2. Next up, runs commands. It can write and execute terminal commands automatically with your approval. Next, loops on errors. An intelligent debugging feature that detects lint or compile errors, applies fixes, and retries until the problem is resolved. Together, these tools allow Cursor to act as a true AI coding partner. Additional capabilities. Further down, we'll find even more functionalities that enhances everyday coding. Fast edits. Applies chat-based code suggestions directly into your files. Proprietary model. Built using data points custom models and the latest APIs for optimizing performance. Reference your code. Use the @ symbol to refer to specific files or folders in chat, helping the AI understand exactly what you mean. Visual and research features. Cursor also supports visual and research-based inputs. Use images. Upload or drag an image into chat to give visual context. Ask the web. Allows the AI to pull real-time information from the internet. Use documentation. Reference public or private libraries with docs for accurate technical guidance. These features make Cursor more than just a code editor. It's a context-aware learning companion. Inline editing and quick commands. Next, we come to inline edit. We can see the description here. Press Ctrl+K to instantly rewrite or insert code with AI assistance. Just describe what you want changed and the cursor generates it for you. There's also terminal Ctrl+K, which extends this AI power to your terminal commands. and quick questions, allowing you to highlight specific code snippets and ask contextual queries directly within the editor. At the bottom of the page, we are reminded to try cursor now. Back on the home page, we see the cursor is trusted by engineers from leading companies like Samsung, Datadog, Stripe, and Shopify. It highlights familiar features such as tab for fast navigation through edits, knows your code base for context aware assistance, and edit in natural language for intuitive AI driven coding. Another section introduces three core design philosophies: frontier intelligence, purpose built AI models for development workflows, feels familiar, seamless setup by importing your existing VS Code settings, privacy options, guarantees that your code stays private and is never stored remotely without consent. At the bottom, we can see developer testimonials praising Cursor's speed and reliability. Signing in and accessing the dashboard. Let's now explore the user dashboard. At the top right, click Sign In. You can log in using your email or continue with a social account. Let's choose Continue with Google. After a quick regular sign in procedure, we are brought to the main dashboard. You can also invite team members and connect to external services such as GitHub, Slack, and Linear. On the left sidebar, several sections are available. Settings. It manages your plans, privacy settings, active sessions, and account deletion. Integrations. It can connect or manage integrations with GitHub, Slack, and Linear as well as API keys. Background agents. This can create agents that edit code and run asynchronous tasks, ideal for long-running operations. Bugbot, a pro feature that automatically reviews pull requests for bugs or issues. Usage. This feature will track your coding and AI activity over different time periods. Billing and invoices, for viewing payment history and managing the subscriptions. Finally, clicking on the docs opens Cursor's documentation in a new tab. Here, you will find guides for installation, core concepts, models, and feature explanations. Perfect for new users or developers integrating Cursor into their workflow. Exploring the AI agents interface. Back on the dashboard, click on the Agents tab at the top. This is where you will primarily interact with the AI. In the center, you will see a prompt box labeled Ask Cursor to Build, Fix Bugs, Explore. Below it are example prompts such as Write documentation, optimize performance, find and fix bugs. At the top of this section is the model selector. Clicking it reveals several AI model options: GPT-5 High, GPT-5, Claude 3 Sonnet, O3, Claude 4.1 Opus, and Auto mode for automatic model selection. This lets you choose the best AI model for your specific development task, whether you are debugging, writing docs, or generating new features. And that completes our tour of Cursor, the AI code editor. We explored its intelligent editing tools, powerful AI agent system, integrations, and flexible model options. Cursor brings together speed, precision, and adaptability to transform the way developers write and maintain code. Thanks for watching this guided walkthrough. And as always, happy coding. Subscribe AI Tech Feed for more such interesting videos.